Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of effortless beauty with the LUVME Hair 8 inches Curly Glueless Wig. This stunning wig offers a natural curly look in just 30 seconds, featuring a truly glueless design that's beginner-friendly and protective, with a pre-cut lace for easy management. Experience the ultimate glueless revolution with our unique cap construction that ensures maximum comfort and seamless blending, thanks to the precision of our undetectable HD lace. Expertly crafted with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots, this wig speaks volumes about authenticity and delivers an impeccable fit without the mess of glue. Made from 100% unprocessed virgin human hair, it boasts a healthy, strong texture that takes colors well, with minimal shedding and a lifespan of over 2 years with proper care. The 180% density provides a thick, full look, making it the perfect solution for women seeking a realistic, short, and clean hairstyle that shines on any occasion. Trusted by over 1 million satisfied customers, our medium-sized cap, with adjustable straps and clips, ensures a comfortable and stable fit, tailored to your head size for easy wear and removal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.